Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks.
I have been doing SIP in your mutual fund from last 10 years, but I could not invest in it last year. Now I need to withdraw some money, so can you please withdraw 5 lakh for me? Ma'am, as I can see, your mutual fund KYC is not yet completed. I'm really sorry, we cannot withdraw the money. It's my money. What does KYC has to do with it? Actually, a new rule has come into effect from April 1st. Every mutual fund investor needs to get their KYC done. Only after the KYC is processed, they can either invest or withdraw money. Okay, so how do I check if the KYC is done or not? You can go to the website www.cvlkra.com and you can enter your PAN card number. It will show whether your KYC is validated or not. What if it says KYC is not validated? Then check where your KYC is registered. Then go to that website, enter your PAN card number and complete the KYC process. And ma'am, follow Freedom Money English channel to stay updated.